Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and today I'm coming to you with a little project using the Tonic Studios die set Perfect Pillow box. I'm going to play around with this die set. Here's the embossing folder. As you can see, it embosses the roses there, and it has this empty spot in the center here, and that is for the panel that cuts out the roses there. It also comes with these stamps. It says to and from, it says happy birthday, it has this diamond shape, and then it comes with the sentiment with love, just for you, and then a set of different flowers, including the little rose that coordinates with the rose on the die set. So I thought this was really cute, and I did receive this as part of a magazine kit. Just as a little tip, since I like to preserve as much paper as I can, and this is just how I like to craft, I like to make use of my supplies, what I did was that I did cut out a 4 3/4 inch size panel of both my heavy cardstock as well as the designer paper, and I adhered the designer paper onto the cardstock, and as you can tell here, my die has a little bit of an overlap here where the paper didn't reach, but I'm okay with that because this piece of the die cut is actually going to be hidden when it's adhered to the other side of the box. So I will be able to fit on this piece of paper this die twice and be able to make one of my boxes, and I'll still have this much paper left over to go ahead and make another project, whether it be a matching card or another box. With the result of this card. As you can tell, it's pretty shabby, I think. It doesn't have a lot going on. However, the other one is very different from it, I think. I used the floral panel here. I stamped and colored the flowers and added them as a dimensional item there, and then used Nuvo Drops in different colors to add a little bit of texture to that. And then the inside I stamped just for you and added another dry emboss panel there. Then the little box looks like this, and I also added another one of those stamped roses and the leaves and the little ribbon that ties on the side. So I'm really happy with this. I think this die set and stamp set are going to come in very handy. Again, it came with all of those little flowers, it came with the embossing folder, and I just can't wait to use it again. And I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Of course, you can reach me at paintsandglitter@gmail.com with any questions you might have. And I hope that you can be inspired and be blessed. Thank you for watching.